Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's Peugeot in Taunton, and I'm going to show you around this 208 in the Allure specification. So this car comes with a 1.6 Blue HDI engine that gives you 100 horsepower. Outside the car you've got 16-inch alloy wheels, tinted rear windows and reverse parking sensors. Inside the car there's a 7-inch touchscreen that features DAB digital radio, Apple CarPlay and full Bluetooth connectivity. Some of the other features of this car include automatic headlights, wipers, you get air conditioning and cruise control. So let's have a look around. This car's done just over 13,000 miles, and as it was registered in March 2017, it's free to tax. So if this car's of interest to you, then please get in contact with us at Howard's Peugeot in Taunton. Thank you.